raged across the island. Cranky and the engines were trapped at the docks. "We're sure to be safe in this shed," said Duck. But he was wrong. The engines had no idea they were about to be put in great danger by an old tramp steamer. It was out of control and running aground, straight into the sheds. "Help!" called the engines from inside the shed. "I can't!" called Cranky. When the storm was over, Sir Topham Hatt rushed to the scene of destruction. "Thomas and Percy will help you," he called to Cranky. "And then you can help the engines." "Oh, please hurry," cried Cranky, "and tell them I'm sorry I was rude to them." "So it was you," murmured Sir Topham Hatt. "I owe those engines an apology."